Now we are discuss about treatment of the OA knee. Uh, First of all, principles of treatment. Once the disease starts, it progresses gradually and there is no way to stop. Hence, efforts are directed wherever possible to the foot to delay the occurrence of the disease if the disease has not been yet to stall progress of the disease and relieve symptoms. If the disease is in early stages, now the last one is the to rehabilitate the patient with or without surgery if his disabilities can be partially or completely alleviated. Methods of treatment to achieve the above objectives. The following therapeutic measures may be undertaken. First is drugs. Analgesics are used mainly to suppress pain. A trial of different drugs is carried out to find a suitable drug for a particular patient. Long-acting formulations are preferred. Chondroprotective agents. Agents such as glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate have been introduced, claiming to the agents which result in repair of the damaged cartilage. Their role as disease modifying agents has yet not been established, but these could be tried in some early cases. Viscosupplementations. Sodium hyaluronate has been introduced. It is injected in the joint 3 to 5 times at weekly interval. It is supposed to improve cartilage functions and is claimed to be chondroprotective. Sportive therapy. This is a useful and harmless method of treatment and often gives gratifying results. It consists of the following: weight reductions in an obese patient, avoidance of stress and strain to the affected joint in day to day activities. For example, a patient with OA of the knee is advised to avoid standing or running. Whenever possible, sitting cross legged and squatting is harmful for OA of the knee. Local heat exercises, counter irritants, surgical treatment. Osteotomy near a joint has been known to bring about relief in symptoms, especially in arthritic joints with deformities. A high tibial osteotomy for OA of the knee with Janu Varum and intertrochanteric osteotomy for OA of the hip have been shown to be useful or for pain relief. Now this is the diagram of osteotomy. First is high tibial osteotomy, the next one is total knee replacement. The next one is joint replacement. Arthroscopic procedures, joint debridement.